U MP ka Seng Congress na Shillong bat President ka MPCC u Bah Vincent H Pala ula kan tho tang ka sorkar pedeng bat sorkar jela halor ka jingbom shimkhya ban pyniaid bai shakhmat ka jingiakren iasuk bat ka Seng Nyotrap National Liberation Council HNLC kabala penlong ka ni ka Seng bakan mi no na ka ni ka jingiakren habakren shakilat pathai khubor haka khandai terik kala lingkon uba pala ulaong kalong ka basngo banyaw jur banyo I habaka Seng HNLC kalalong lakloy banwan syakami jingiakren Henry kam shamladon ka jingshimkhya nakaliang ka sorkar BJP hapo Delhi kumju ka sorkar jala ulaong ladap hinpai halor baro kini kimat ne issue kidai tang ki jingkular kai bakrau jong ka sorkar lengba kimat rekam Henry habapai halor ki jing shisha Kim Shem la salia ne penle jingmun na ka benta ki nong shong shnong jong ka ne ka thain shate la mi ni north east jong kari upala ulakam baka kongres kala persyang ya ka babhatam ban pendunai ki kamle no da ka bawan ra ya ka jingsung ulaong ha ka por utarun gogoy ha asam ulawan ra ya ka alfa sha ka mit jingiakren bar ka asam kala kyu shaprang bar kala biang menta kumju ah pedeng ka ne ka por baka kongres kadang don ha ka bor ngila persyang ban penduna ya baru ki kamle no ngilawan ra ya ka jingsung Henry menta sa shisin pat wat ha pedeng kini ki sinjam kani ka sorkar BJP kamsham la shimkhya halor kani ka benta bar ka long ka basngo bunyaw shibun haba ay ka jingkershan bapura halor ka jingiakren yeso une uno yalam kongres ulaong ba u ay ka jingkershan ka bapura ya ka jingiate esuk wat ha pedeng kino ki kendon uma pala ulaong ki briu jongi ki dang khendiat ngin omla ban shudu no yala ki jong ki para shinrang bat kenthai tang namar ki tang suloi ngim dei bandu no ka jingsuk tang namar ka jingdon jingsgo ne tang namar ka ego ngimla bandu no ka jingsuk tang namar ki briu hapo ka BJP kimsham la patiaw ha ka baya dei bat kinong shnong ka Meghalaya ha ka ju ka por une unong yalam kongres uburu ka jingkerpat ya ka Seng HNLC bakan omweng no na ka jingiakren yesuk
unfortunate to see when the HNLC ready to come to the table but there's no seriousness on the part of the BJP government at the center as well as in the state. So it's very unfortunate. If you see in all these issues, the government big promises in the manifesto, whereas when it comes to reality, they always don't care for the people of Northeast. Had these issues be in other states, you see what happened in Assam. When Tarun Gogoi was there, he brought Alpha to the negotiating table and Assam is prosperous, Assam is doing good now. In between also, when the Congress was in power, we tried to minimize all the undergrounds. We brought peace. But today, again, in spite of all those, again, this government is, in the BJP government, now they don't take it seriously. So it's very unfortunate, but we in the opposition, we are not part of those negotiations. We in the opposition, I discussed with Baroni also, we have not been invited, we have not been informed, we have not been briefed. So the details I think you should get from them rather from us. But it's very unfortunate to see that in spite of minimizing or rather stop the bloodshed, stop all the fighting, but now it has gone waste. So I think it's very unfortunate. Normally there are two things. If they surrender, then there's a different treatment. But if they negotiate, come to the terms and conditions within the constitution, I think the government should not make any undue efforts. Rather than the government should be proactive to see that whatever be the solution should come. So I think, I don't know, because in the conditions, like I said, we are not involved. What are the real conditions? We only saw it in the paper. I don't know, but I feel that, we have to, every demand has to be negotiated. Every demand has to be discussed. So there's nothing impossible with the discussion. I think that the government doesn't take it seriously, and with discussions, I think during the discussion, because suppose like if they give amnesty, there's lots of terms and conditions also to be out of that. Or suppose whatever each and every point they discuss, they also should be with a commitment. It is not like the BJP government signed a framework with Nagaland and nothing has been done up to now. They have signed an agreement with the NVC. When the NVC, now I've seen they're moving the file for the forest development, nothing has been done. So I also follow so many things with the developmental works after signing the agreement. In spite of they're supposed to amend the sixth schedule, nothing has been done. So the BJP is known for its promises and failure. So are people what to do? Are people are joining them, are people are helping them, direct or indirect? I think equally the state is equally responsible for not pushing very hard, and I fully support the peace deal, whatever condition it may be, it should be. We are people who are very small. We cannot afford to lose our brothers and sisters because of guns. We cannot afford to lose peace only because of ego. We cannot afford to lose peace only because of people in the BJP does not bother about the people of Meghalaya. I appeal to HNLC that whatever decisions they are taking is a big decision. It matters to economy of the state, it matters to life of the people, it matters to so many things within the state. So I appeal to HNLC also to not to just stop the negotiations, continue the negotiations and try to see and convince. If required, they can also put or demand a new negotiators also. So I think it's very important for them also to take it seriously. I request them not to run away from the negotiations, but I request them also to come forward and be more proactive. I don't know what is the reason why all this failure and whom to blame, but I feel that we need peace in Meghalaya, we need peace in the Brio New Trip, and also in the Tatar, the state and the country as a whole.